How does ad blocking work? To show you a picture or a video, your browser must first download it. To do this, it sends a web request to a server. Ad blockers work with such requests. In their work, ad blockers rely on filters, basically, long lists of rules. Based on these filters, ad blockers determine what to block on the websites you visit and what to let through. They check every web request from your device, and if an address of a request is flagged as an ad server in the filtering rules, it gets blocked and the ad doesn't load. Some blockers only remove ads. Others, like AdGuard, also block trackers, analytics tools built into websites and apps with the sole purpose to collect information about you. A good ad blocker makes pages load faster, keeps your personal data safe, and prolongs battery life of your devices, and eliminates all the annoying ads, of course. Don't settle for anything but the best. Choose AdGuard.